Welcome back, dear children. Here the second is working with language. See, we saw collective nouns, right? Previous sessions and other grammar part, we saw collective nouns. Collective nouns are what? Representing a group. Group of animals, group of things, group of human beings, whatever it is. Okay, group of birds, everything. When we are representing as a group, as a unit, then it is called as a collective noun. Just have a recap of what collective noun is. Then we will enter into the exercise, right? Each word in the box given below indicates a large number of dash. Dash represent here what? Yes, collective noun, right? A large number of objects, large number of what? Animals, birds, whatever it is. For example, a herd of cows refers to many cows. So now here in this box, there are some words which represent collective noun, right? School, fleet, brood, bundle, bunch, pack, flock, herd. All these words represent collective noun. It is our duty to select which word will be suitable for this, right? First question is a dash of ships, a fleet of ships. I hope you all know this before itself because we read in 4th standard itself, right? Fleet of ships. A dash of flowers. What is the answer, Kana? Yes, bunch of flowers. What is it? A bunch of flowers. What is the answer for the second one? A bunch of flowers. First, a fleet of ships, bunch of flower. Fleet spelling F-L-E-E-T, right? Take care of that. Next is a brood of chicks. A brood of chicks. Brood, B-R-O-O-D. Next is a team of cattle. When we are saying about cattle, it represents cow, goat, sheep, everything is considered under cattle. Here a team of cattle, a bundle of sticks, a herd of sheep, a school of fish, a pack of wolves. So all these, I hope it will be easy for you. Then I'll ask you one more question. A dash of puppies. What is it, dear? Yeah, fantastic. A litter of puppies. A dash of puppies. A litter of puppies. Okay, dash of students. What is it? A class of students. Fantastic. I hope you can able to understand this. This is very easy exercise. This is very simple for you. But I want you to refer more and more books and you learn more collective nouns. Okay. Dash of soldiers, army of soldiers. Dash of ants, colony of ants. Like this, dash of bees. Most of the insects, we'll call it as swarm of bees. Right? So when you are working out, you come across so many objects. So find out each and every collective noun for that object. When you come across key, a bunch of keys. When you come across some other objects, flowers is also a bunch of flowers. So you observe, analyze what are the things which have the same collective noun. Pack of wolves, pack of dogs. Then, why it is same? Analyze that. The characteristic of these animals will be the same. So, the wordings of collective nouns representing collective nouns also will be the same. Right? Now, shall we move to the next? Make nouns from the words given below by adding ness or ity or ty or y. These are all suffix words. Okay, suffix. So when you are representing a root word, when you add before, it is called prefix. When you add at the end of the root word, it is called suffix. We learned this before itself, and when you're saying itself, you are using so many prefix and suffix in our day-to-day lives, right? So here, honest. Check it out. Honestness will come. No. Honest, I-T-Y, honesty, no. Honesty, yes, but actually here already T is there. Again, T-T-Y will not come. H-O-N-E-S-T-T-Y will not come. So only Y has to be added. Honesty alone. So Y alone is added here. Kind, kindness. Cruel, cruelty. Calm, calmness. Sad, sadness. Right? Shall we move to the next? Any doubt in this? Honest, honesty. Kind, kindness. Cruel, cruelty. Calm, calmness. Sad, sadness. Next is active, activity. Creative, creativity. Sincere, sincerity. Cheerful, cheerfulness. Bitter, bitterness. Sensitive, sensitivity. Great, greatness. Okay. So all these 12 what suffix words has to be included in your book with pencil. When you are writing, be careful. The handwriting has to be legible and neat. Okay, you should not think that it is a book so I can scribble in any way. No, we will check book also. Again, honesty, kindness, cruel, cruelty, calm, calmness, sad, sadness, active, activity, creative, creativity, sincere, sincerity. Check 6, 7, 8. The words ending with E. Active, creative, sincere. All these E are replaced by ITY, right? This E is replaced by ITY. Can you able to guess that? ACTIV instead of E, ITY. Creative instead of E, ITY. Sincere instead of E, ITY. So whenever the end word ending with E, so we are adding ITY. Some cases will be exceptional that we have to take care. Next, cheerfulness. Cheerful, cheerfulness. Bitter, bitterness. Sensitive, sensitivity. Here also ending with E. Ending with E, ITY. Great, greatness. Sensitive, sensitivity. Great, greatness. Any doubt in this exercise, dear? Yes. Shall we move to the next slide? It's very easy, isn't it? Word search. There are 12 words hidden in this table. Okay, how many minutes you want to finish this? 12 words you have to find from this crossword. How many minutes you want for finishing this, dear? What? 12 minutes you want? One word, 1 minute. It is too much. Then, how many minutes? 5 minutes, is it okay? 5 minutes, try it out, okay? What? 7 minutes you want. Okay, take 7 minutes. 5 to 7 minutes. Maximum, that's it. Right? There are 12 words hidden in the table. 6 can be found horizontally and the remaining 6 vertically. You all know what is horizontal and vertical, isn't it? Or else KG children will say what is horizontal and what is vertical. Horizontal is sleeping line. Vertical is standing line, right? Sleeping line, standing line. Sleeping is horizontal, standing is vertical. How you are standing, it is vertical, right? And all of them are describing words like good, happy, etc. Okay, it may be bad words also, right? The first letters of the word are given below. First letters alone are given and you have to find out the words. Shall we check what are the words here? Horizontal H, R, F, F, S, G. And the vertical A, W, S, F, L, Q. So this is the tabular column. If you cannot see the tabular column fully, I'll move my screen over here. Let it be. Check it out. See the tabular column. Observe. First I'm going to find out A, vertical A. Vertical A. First letter is A. A-N-G-R-Y. Angry. First I found one. Did you? Did you found any word? Right, W, search for W down in this row. W is not there here. W-O-R-S-E. Yes, verse I found. Verse. Then first one angry. Second one verse I found. Then S. Where is S dear? Yes, here. S-O-I-J-K. No. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E, surprise. Fantastic. So S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E, surprise is also a word. Fantastic. Good. 3 words we found. Shall we move to F? F. F-R-E-E, free. Yes, F-R-E-E, free. So another one word, 4 words we found. L. What is L here? Check it out, baby. L-O-Y-A-L, loyal. Fantastic. Loyal also you found. And Q, Q-U-I-E-T, quiet. Right? Nearly in 1 minute, 2 minutes, maximum of 2 minutes we found vertical words fully. Right? First is angry. Next is verse. Third one surprise. F for free. L for loyal and Q for quiet. Right? Now horizontal words. H for hasty. H-A-S-T-Y, hasty. R. Check R is here. No. R-E-A-D-Y, ready. R is ready. Fantastic. F. Where is F? F-I-E-R-C-E, fierce. Again one more F, we will find out. S and G. I am going to the answers to check for you. Now I didn't have time. You check it out and find out the answers. I am moving to the next slide here. Right? So hasty, fierce, strong, good, frightened. Right? Another one, F is what? Free. Here, F-R-E-E, that is vertical. Check it out, and if you didn't find any answer, come out with it and we will find together. Okay, shall we move to the next slide? Find the opposites of these words in the text. Ancestor. Ancestors. Who are ancestors? Grandpas, grandpas, grandpas. Grandpa. So descendants. Descendants, we are coming from them. We came from them. Okay. So ancestors, descendants. D-E-S-C-E-N-D-A-N-T-S. Next, wild, tame. Ancient, modern. Near, distant. Suddenly, gradually. And complete the following sentence. The dingo is the wild dog of Australia, which behaves like a domestic dog. Dogs were the first animals tamed by humans. The other animals tamed by humans are wolf, fox and coyote. The word refers what? Australia, Asia. Now children, time is up. Actually, this session is going to be over. So till this you complete the exercise and I'll